How to download maps on Google Maps for offline use. Open the Google Maps app on your phone while connected to the internet. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now click on Offline Maps. Now select your own map. Now zoom out and select the map you want to download. You can see the map is downloading. Now that the map is downloaded, I will turn off my internet. Now I'll turn off the internet and use Google Maps. Select the Google Maps that I downloaded a while ago. Now you can zoom in and view the area without any internet. The area you downloaded. If you are going to visit a place, download that place. Then even if there is no internet, you can easily go there with the help of Google Maps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.